All right, welcome everybody. Have you been researching and wondering how you can start out as a forex trader and you don't have a skill, experience, knowledge or exposure, nothing, but you really want to start out? In today's video, I will show you everything you will need to know and how you can start cashing out immediately. I'll also show you how you can use MT4 and MT5 freely. Okay, if you are ready for that, come on, let's join into this journey and show you watch this video to the end, guys. Watch from me now. Let's go into there. Today I'm going to teach you, and let's go into how to use MT4 and how you can start trading on your own. Okay, right now let's go into it. Okay, this is an account. You can once you click, you can go to your Apple Store or Play Store. You go to there and then you type MetaTrader. You type Meta. You can see MetaTrader 5. You can see this one. You can download either this one or this one. Both of them, I use both of them actually. You can download MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4. They are both just like iPhone 11, iPhone 12, iPhone 13, iPhone 15, 16. So you get, they are all iPhones. So you get, they are just a form of iPhones in their versions and upgrades. You understand? So they're both perform same function, but MT5 has some automated features, unlike the MT4 that is more of manual like that. Sure you get, but MT5 has more of automated, just a little bit of automation on it. But however, they both perform same functions and everything that you would love to do and everything. So that is, once you download that, you update everything, then you go there. If you want to start, you can start up a demo account first. Then you go here, then you click. Once you click here, you won't have anything here. You can just click here. You see an open MetaTrader 4. You can see, I will teach you. Let me show you how you can open a demo account so you can be able to trade. Open the demo. I have already opened one here for you guys. This is a new demo account. Yeah, this is a new demo account. Yeah, this is a demo account already. But let me show you how you can do that. So by the time you come into trading, you just this place will be blank, but you definitely see this plus sign here. You click on the plus sign, you see this there. You just click on open a demo account. You click on it and you can go to deposit. Assuming I will used to advise my students to always use an account that is visible. If you know that you have the money, you have $10,000 to deposit into your account after 2 to 3 or 6 months of learning. If you know you have $3K, $5K, $10K, $100K, depending on the amount you think you may have after you're done with your learning phase or with your intermediate, with your introductory stage, and you want to start practicing. So that is the account you should open, because it will help you with your lot sizing, with every other thing. Because what demo does mostly is to help you master your mental and psychological space. As most importantly is to help you to master your strategies, and some other thing, because you may not feel any emotional stuff on demo. But one thing it does mostly is your strategy. So once you have a strategy you're using, however, we have strategy, a working strategy we are using, and we are willing to give anybody. So if you're just watching this video and you haven't joined our community, you are wrong. Please, I want to advise you and I want to urge you to go to the description link right now and click and join our community so you can hand over all our strategies down to you. Okay, aside from that, we give specs, educations, trainings, and lots more signals, daily signals every day. Today was crazy. We threw out a signal today. It was crazy one, fantastic. Everybody milked and make bastard of money. All right, so that is for that. So let's assume I can afford to fund 3,000. When I fund 3,000, you click 3K, then you click register. Can you see? Okay, let's say you want to fund 5K. Let's say you want to fund 5K. This is this is 3K now. This is 3K. Can you see this 3K? This 3K. Then you come to quotes. Can you see quotes? Then you come to this this plus sign. This plus sign here. You come to this plus sign here. Then this is where you enlist all the currencies you want to trade. I told you about the former video. We talked about USD currencies. And imagine, can you see now? I just typed USD and it brought all the USD currencies. The first one says USD CAD. What does that mean? it means that what US dollar or versus Canadian dollar. The second one states what USD CHF, it means what USD CAD versus Swiss francs. The third one says what USDJPY, it means what USD CAD dollar versus yen. The next one says what AUDUSD, it means what Australian versus dollar. The next one says what EURUSD, it means what euro versus dollar. The next one says what GBPUSD, it means what Great Britain pound versus dollar. The next one says what NZDUSD, it means what New Zealand versus dollars. So like that. Can you see? So I'll now click on the plus sign to enlist all of them, because I may want to analyze them and trade them. Okay, yeah, let's click them. I'm picking them up. I'm picking them already. I'm clicking on it. I'm picking them up. So that's the first thing you will do. You pick them up. You pick all of them. You pick them because I want to trade them. This is also good. XAUUSD as good. Let me click on it because I want to trade good as well. If I see the analysis and I can analyze, I'll trade good. That's it. So now you can type another thing too. You can type JPY. You can type JPY. You can see all the JPY pair because I'm a lover of JPY. I trade JPY a lot. So you can type, you can see now this is AUDJPY, CADJPY, CHFJPY, EURGBP, GBPJPY, and NZDJPY. Then what do? The next thing is what? Enlist them into your quote, so you can trade them as well. So you click on the plus sign, the green plus sign. Click on the plus sign, the green plus sign. You click on the plus sign. I'll show you everything now. Everything will be enlisted now. Type another thing. EURA. Tap EUR again. Can you see all the EUR pair that are slashed each other? You click on it, okay? You click on it if you want to. You see, that is for that. And you can imagine you want to trade GDP as well. You click on it. You see that is for that. Then you now go to your quote. You see everything. Can you see now? You see everything. Can you see? Before it was blank. No, be so. You see at your quote it was blank. This place that is white quotes. That is where you see all your pairs that you can trade. Once I click on them now, once I click, can you see? It brings a trade, it brings chart, it brings details. If I go to chart now, it will show me the analysis, how I can analyze each of them and then enter the trade. Okay, let me highlight on this one again. Can you see it brought this? Can you see? This is chart. This is what trade. If I place a trade, this is what I will begin to see. And these are what histories of either your wins or your losses. Am I talking to somebody? That your wins or your losses. Now let's take a trade. And let's take a trade. Let me look at this trade. Okay, we have a support level here, but it's a sell market anyway. I have a support level here. We send this market, send signal as a sell. We milk it from here. Our sell was above our around this psychology 56, 55 here, and then we milk about 60 pips. We just finished about 50 pips. Let me pick a trade now. I will teach you guys about lot sizing, lot size, and stuff like that. So you will know how to use lot size. Now you click on trade. This place here, at the right button here, can you see trade? At the right hand side, you can see trade. You can see trade now at your right angle. This right angle, you can see trade. At the right angle side there, you can see trade, right? You can see trade. You can see trade. Then you click on trade. Let me click on trade. Can you see? Then you set your lot size. You can use that set 0. This is the standard lot size. I'll teach you everything. All this one about this. I'll teach you on this. I'll teach you everything. Then you set the lot size. Let's say another trade. If you want to look at JPY, you click on it. It brings this. You go to the chart to look at it. Oh, I think it's a sell market. If you have analyzed that, you must have analyzed. I'm just using this as a typical example. Once you have done your analysis, you have been given signals. If you join our community, we'll give you signals, calculate signals that you can use to make money even as a beginner. Even if you don't know anything, you are still an amateur into trading. You don't know anything about trading, we'll give you calculate signals and use to make money for yourself. Okay, am I talking to somebody? So you haven't joined our community, you are wrong. You are missing badly. Please look at the section below and click and join it's free. Join our community, join a family, so you can begin to enjoy some of our goods and perks. All right, so I can begin to say, okay, it's a sell market. I click on sell as well. All right, so that is how to take a trade. You can see that is how to pick a trade. Can you see? That is how to pick a trade. Can you see? That is how to pick a trade. So if you want to close now, this trade are not in profit yet. let me look for trade that can in profit so we can quickly, let me look at that in profit so we can close in profit. Okay, let's do 0.10. Let's do this so we can quickly be in profit, and let's see. So this is what you'll be watching. This is where you watch your trade. Can you see? You watch your trade. Can you see? This is your equity, this is your balance. And once you make profit, your balance will increase. Once you make loss, your balance will begin to decrease until you lose. Once you wipe off all your balance, you will turn to zero. Your balance will turn to zero. That is how it works. Your balance will turn to zero. So let's look for any other pair. Let's go to any other pair. Is there any other pair at the moment? Any other pair at the moment? Okay, let's take this sell as well. Let's take this sell as well. I hope you understand, guys. Can you see? Can you see all your codes here? If you want to, this is for simple. Can you see everything? This is for advanced. You can see. You can see. If you want to delete it, you can delete it as well. If you can delete it as well. You can delete it as well. You can delete it as well. This is where you see your history. This is where you see your history. This is where this lot sizing, I'll teach you guys how to use it. You have to determine your lot sizing. 0.10 is you have to determine what you use for 0.10. If you are opening an $100 account, this is the lot size you are meant to use. You're not meant to use you're meant to use start with 001. This is the least lot size, core nano. This is the least lot size you can use for $100 and $20. But if you have a $1,000 account, of course you can still use 0.5, this kind of lot size, or okay, let's see gold, what gold is doing. You can still use this kind of lot size, or this kind of lot size, which is still a sell market as well. You can still use 0.10. Not enough money. Let me close this so you can see. Let me close this. You can see we have closing loss. You can see I have closing loss. You can see that my balance remains what? 92339. Can you see now? Now let me take this trade now. Can you see? So this is how it works. If I'm making profit, you see everything there. It will add it to your balance. Can you see now? Minus profit, minus 60. That means I just lost $60. Can you see, guys? It means what? I just lost $60. If this is a real account, I have just lost $60 out of what? $3,000. It means what? 2,600. 2,640. So it's 2,940. That's what it will remain. Good. So that is what it means. So, and if I make profit, it will also be what? $3,060. So it will accrue to your balance. It will be added to your balance. Can you see? Like gold is coming into profit already. So that is for that. So lot sizing for, I will explain lot sizing very well for us. Lot sizing for $100 account is 0.1. Lot sizing for $200 account is also 0.1 or 0.2 highest. Lot sizing for $300 account is 0.2. For $500 account, highest maximum you can use is 0.5. As maximum you can use 0.5 or 0.4. And for $1,000 account, is maximum you can use is 0.10, which is this. I just open now. 0.10. I will explain everything to you why it is so. Okay, in the next class. So let me teach you how you can do what is called buy set, buy limit and sell limit. Now, when you talk about buy limit is something is already buying. You want to set a limit that will come to activate for you. That is buy limit. That is okay, for example now, this market, okay, I pick sell for this market, right, for gold. Okay, and I assume that, and I'm predicting that gold will sell. Okay, good, that's good. So I'm to sell what? Sell limit, because I know that gold is sell. I want to set it that is where it will get to and start selling. The limit it will get to and start selling. Now let's look at where gold is right now. Gold is what? 3297. Now let me set it at 3299. Sell limit. There it will get to and it will start selling. 3298. Let me click start. you see that when markets get to that place, it will activate that for me and start selling. That is what's called sell limit. I set a price that's where it will get to, and it will activate that for me and start selling, because I want to sell what I want to sell gold. I have predicted, I have analyzed, and I have seen it clearly that what can you see? Market has triggered it. It has triggered. It starts selling gold. Good. Started selling gold. That's good. So let's now say I want to set what buy limit. Now let's look for a buy pair. A pair that may buy. Let's look for a buy pair. I want to sell a buy. I want to set a buy limit on any pair. Let's look for any pair that we can buy now. Let's look for any JPY or anything. Let's look for any JPY. EUROCAD. Let's look for EUROCAD. What's it doing? Okay, buy. Now let me set a buy pair on this trade now. Buy. The buy pair is on. Yeah, I just set a buy pair now. It's currently on 5614. I just set a buy pair to. I just set a buy limit. I set a buy limit. I want to set. Okay, sorry, I'm not setting this well. I'll set a buy limit to what 0.013. Let me set a buy limit. That is the least it can get to, the below it can get to before you want to start selling from there. That is buy limit. The least you can get to and you start selling from, the least to get to and to start selling from there. You can either enter market at market order. That is when I told you I just click here and just click bam, just click 0.1 bam, just buy. Market, that's what it's called. Market, this is what's called what? Market order. I entered immediately. I didn't have to sell all these ones. That's the market order. But the buy, I hope you understand, guys. The buy limit means the limit it will get to before you to start buying. Sell limit means the limit it will get to before you to start what? Selling. That is, for example now, iPhone price is what is 100 naira. So I want to sell it at when it gets to 150. So I now set that 150